14th problem, find the shortest distance between the lines r bar is equals to 6i plus 2j plus 2k plus lambda into I minus 2j plus 2k and r is equals to minus 4i minus k plus mu into 3i minus 2j minus 2k. So these are the two given lines. We need to find out the shortest distance. So let us write the given lines. So given lines are r is equals to 6i plus 2j plus 2k plus lambda into I minus 2j plus 2k. This equation is of the form like this: r is equals to a plus lambda b. So here a is equals to 6i plus 2j plus 2k and b is equals to I minus 2j plus 2k. Next, another line is r is equals to minus 4i minus k plus mu into 3i minus 2j minus 2k. So here it is in the form r bar is equals to c bar plus mu d bar. So here c is minus 4i minus k and d is 3i minus 2j minus 2k. So these are the four vectors. Next, we need to find out the shortest distance between the lines. So the shortest distance formula is mod of box of AC BD by B cross D. Now let us find out AC first. So AC is C minus A. So here C is minus 4i minus k minus A. A is minus into plus is minus 6i, minus into plus is minus 2j, minus into plus is minus 2k. Next we will get 4i minus 2 minus 6i, that will be minus 10i, minus 2j, minus k minus 2k is minus 3k. So this is AC. Next we will find out B cross D. First we will find out the box product of AC BD. Let us solve this here. So box product of AC BD, that will be the determinant. So AC is minus 10 minus 2 minus 3 and B is 1 minus 2 plus 2 and D is 3 minus 2 minus 2. This will be plus minus plus. So plus into minus is minus, minus 10 ACBD. So minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4 minus, this minus is of formula, minus into minus is plus, 2 to the 4, minus into minus is plus 2, 1 to the 2 minus 3 to the 6, minus plus into minus minus 3, 1 to the 2 plus minus into minus is plus, so 3 to the 6. 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 tens are minus 80, minus 2 minus 6 is minus 8, plus into minus is minus, 8 to the 16, 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 3s are 12. Now if we add this, we get 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 0 8, 1 2 8, that will be 10. So minus 1 not 8. Next we have to find out B cross D. So let us find out B cross D. So B cross D is mod of I, J, K, determinant of, we need to find out the determinant. So I, j, k, b. The values of b are 1, minus 2, 2, and d is 3, minus 2, minus 2. So we will get I, minus 2 into minus 2 is 4, minus into minus is plus, 2 2s are 4, minus j, 1 2s are 2, plus into minus minus, minus 3 2s are 6, plus k, 1 2s are 2, minus into minus is plus, 3 2s are 6. So we will get 4 plus 4 is 8, 8i, minus 8 into minus is plus 8j, 6 minus 2 is 4, so 4k. This is B cross D. Next we will find out the magnitude of B cross D. So we will get mod of B cross D, that will be under root of, if we take out common, so we get 4 is common, so 4 square, 4 2s are 8, so 2 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. 4 square, square root cancel, we will get 4, and under root of 2 square is 4 plus 2 square is 4 plus 1. So 4 under root of 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So 4 3s are 12. Next we will find out the shortest distance. So shortest distance, that is mod of square box of ACBD. So that is the value is minus mod of minus 108 by B cross D is 12. For mod we will get this, we will get rid of this minus, so we get the absolute value. So that will be 108 by 12. So 12 ones are 12 nines are. So therefore the shortest distance is 9 units.